God's message for you today: watch till the end and get blessed. I am the Lord your God. I am the one who moves mountains when your strength runs out. I am the one who turns impossibilities into testimonies. What you thought was over, I will revive. What you lost, I will restore beyond measure. I will heal the wounds no one else sees and lift the burdens you have carried alone for too long. I am sending divine help to every corner of your life, to your mind, your heart, your family, your dreams. I will speak peace into every storm raging around you and silence every chaos trying to shake your faith. I am doing a new thing right now. I am tearing down every barrier, breaking every chain, and making a way where there was none. When I move, no one, no force, no enemy, no circumstance can stand against me. I will do what eyes have not seen, what ears have not heard, and what hearts could never imagine. People will look at your life and see my glory shining through you. I have heard your quiet prayers, the ones you whispered in tears, the ones you could barely speak. Healing, breakthrough, provision, restoration. My answer is on the way. Nothing is too great for me. No dream is too big. No mountain too high. Ask boldly, believe deeply, trust completely. I am about to do wonders that will leave you standing in awe, knowing without a doubt I am the Most High and I am with you always. Thank you for watching. Let the fire of God's purpose ignite your spirit today. If this word spoke to your heart, share it with someone who needs hope, healing, or a fresh start. And do not forget, like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a moment of divine encouragement.